we're feeling probably confident with our crotchets and quavers, so there's a few more notes that we need to think about. So we're going to talk about dotted notes. So we have a crotchet, and we know that that's worth 1 beat. And if we add a dot to that, then it adds half the value of the crotchet. So it adds half the value, which is half a beat in this case. So a dotted crotchet is equal to 1.5 beats. Yeah? Or we could break that down. It's also worth 1, 2, 3 quavers, because remember 2 quavers is worth 1 crotchet, and then half a beat would be a quaver. Now, if we were to think about adding a dot to a quaver, remember that it's worth half a beat. Here's its tail. So if we add a dot to a quaver, we've now got half a beat plus a quarter of a beat. So we've got 3/4 of a beat. It's not very often that we see a quaver without, a dotted quaver I should say, without its counterpart. Okay, so this is a quaver, but we also have a note that has 2 tails, and it's called a semiquaver. Okay, so when we think about those values, a quaver is half a beat, while a semiquaver is a quarter of a beat. So when we add 3/4 and 1/4, we get 1 full beat. So we'll usually see a dotted quaver with its friend, the semiquaver. And the semiquaver is denoted by this little tail here. That's just a sort of double bar on that side and then dotted on that side. And that's equal to 1 crotchet beat, or 1 beat. Sounds confusing, but we'll try and explain it in examples. The other note that we're seeing here is this one, which has no, oops, I've very badly drawn that, which has no inside part, a sort of holy note, and it's called a minim, and it is worth 2 crotchet beats. It's worth 2 beats. Okay? So